Is it safe for me to assume and to say na parang lahat ng mga healthcare workers natin, ang kanilang ambisyon ay makapagtrabaho abroad?
For me, most of my coworkers, a lot of them typically dream of that, no, working abroad. Kasi syempre the working conditions here in the Philippines, they're not the best. I'll admit that. But of course, working abroad, it typically it typically has different ups and downs, no, pros and cons. And so a lot of these people, they would think of going abroad, but eventually at the end of the day, they realized rin lang na, oh, maybe the grass is always greener on the other side, so why not stay in the Philippines? So lots of my coworkers as occupational therapists, they typically stay here instead. Pero again, maybe it's like a 50-50 thing, no, for occupational therapists. I'm not sure with other professions, no. Maybe physical therapists, it's a different story.
Right. And what about the physical therapist? Ganun din ba ang story yan, Nina?
Actually, I think we prefer the abroad setup kasi mas may freedom ang PTs abroad compared here in the Philippines.
Oh.
Kasi we're more boxed kasi we're
Uh-huh.
still under rehab doctors and other
Okay.
kinds of doctors.
Okay.
So we need prescriptions first from them before we actually do the exercises with patients.
Oh, so it's not just a matter of earning a lot more, which obviously is, no?
Yeah.
So may mga freedom pa rin pala in terms of practices and hierarchy.